Hello, today we'll be doing a short tutorial on Mindomo. This is a great resource and tool for collaborative projects, and also if you have a paper or you're working on a project that you need to get some ideas down, this is a great tool to use. So when you first come into Mindomo, you're going to be in this page. You hit create. Here you can see you have different options, mind maps, concept maps, organization, outlines, which is particularly helpful for term papers, and folders where you can organize all the different projects you've worked on. For time's sake today, we're gonna be looking at one that I've started. This is called Ollie's Bedroom. This is a very basic organizer. So what I'm doing here is I am putting together some ideas for decorating my son's room as he gets older. So my main topic here you can see is Ollie's bedroom, and I put a silly icon. Click on there, I can change that to a happy face. If you click this arrow, this is where you can insert subtopics, new topics, floating topics, which I have a few of those down here. Here's all your basic commands. And you have some options here for font and color palettes, and different design options. Let's come over to our left. Click on here. I had already added some notes. And if you hover right here, you can see those notes come up. And this is great for any comments with colleagues or group members. If they're looking at your organizer and they have an idea, they can add a note on it. Another great feature is that you can add links directly to that. So I had added a link about closet ideas. It'll take you directly to this page. And there you go. So if I wanted to share this with my husband, he could go in there and see what kind of ideas I had. Under here you see I have 3 subtopics. You can have many more. But here I've got theme, color, and furniture. And then I've got a couple other topics underneath there. Now as you can see, I have many different Pinterest pages tagged to this where I have different ideas. Let's close that out so it's a little faster. It comes up with a cute car room idea. Now to add those links, you just come over to the left, hit the hyperlink. So you can see I've got one in here, but you can just copy and paste. Or in this drop-down box, you can see you can upload files, add another topic. So there's a few choices in here. And you just attach upload, and it'll attach your link. So I'll just show you one more. This is a great feature. You can have as many as you need on here. And here's some ideas I have for a dinosaur bedroom. All right, and then I have some floating topics down here. I've got closet organizers, and these subtopics, I just wanted to show you that you can keep adding these in as you like. So here I've got a storage idea. Let me move that up there. And you just click and drag, and there I've got another subtopic. I've done that on here as well, and on here you can see I added some notes. And I have another web link on here. All right, so you can also add bookmarks. So if there's other, maybe you don't necessarily want to add it in your organizer, but it's something worth looking at, you can put it in here. Add comments to any of the topics. And if you're working on a project and you're not all in the same room together, you can be doing this at the same time. Priority tasks, so if you're on a time limit, this is where you put this, and if you need to assign things to different group members. Here's the fun icon box. I have lots of choices in there. Multimedia, so if you want to insert a video, they've got the YouTube tab right here for you. I already showed you the hyperlinks in the notes. Okay. So once you've finished your organizer or your outline, and you want to share it with someone, you just go ahead and hit the share button. You can change whether it's private, only you can see it, or if there's specific people. It's up to you. It depends on what you're working on. And now you're all done. Now this auto saves, but if you're a little worried, you can just go ahead and save your changes. And you're done. So that was my tutorial today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have fun with this app.